Hello students, welcome back to our online class with Best English School. So today in this video we would like to start our new chapter, and that would be a chapter 4 of English subject. So if you have any textbook at your home right now or in your hands, so you can open that textbook right now very easily. So it's our chapter 4 is all about the spaceship, and a lady who is known as a very first woman to go in the space. But there was a tragic accident or incident, you can say, by with that she was not able to come back. So you all have already heard about the name, because that woman is very much popular, and her name is Kalpana Chawla, students. She is an Indian. She was working in a spacecraft while using it, like she had gone too far, but after coming back to Earth, the spaceship was not so available to come back, so that's why they had been burned out. So this was the all about a demo, a introduction. So we won't waste our time. We will start our chapter 4 before you read. So let's begin. Our chapter 4 name is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla, students. So let's begin it. Before you read, in 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into the space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So students, in 1997, an American and Indian, Kalpana Chawla, was a part of international crew of US shuttle. मतलब US में जो नासा है वहाँ पे उनके बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्रू के साथ उनका कोलैबोरेट हुआ था, एंड शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन बॉर्न इन इंडिया टू गो इनटू स्पेस. मतलब वो सबसे पहली इंडियन वुमेन थी जो स्पेस में गई थी. बट इन द सेकेंड मिशन in Colombia, some tragedy was happened and her life was in the end. So let's see this one. A news report. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. This one is a newspaper report that is in the box over here. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it struck over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So actually students, there was a tragedy happens in space, like the whole 8 members were gone to the space in for research. But there was a tragedy that they're coming back, when they were coming back from the space part. So वो जो स्पेस कंट्रोल होता है वो नासा के साथ कांटेक्ट होता है उनके, ओके. सो नासा के साथ उनके कांटेक्ट लॉस्ट हो गए थे. मतलब उनकी बातचीत नहीं हो रही थी। और जब उनके अराउंड अर्थ में जितने सारे एटमॉस्फेयर है, जितने सारे वॉल्यूशंस है, उसको क्रॉस करके दे जस्ट हैव टू पुट इट आउट on the earth, right? So while they were coming back at that time there was some tragedy कि उनके जो पोर्शंस है, उनके जो स्पेसशिप थी उसमें there was in a fire and that have been burned out, मतलब एकदम वो जल चुका था and that was flashed, मतलब एकदम जल के ख़त्म हो गया था स्टूडेंट्स. So this tragedy was very much uplifted because total 8 members was died on that tragedy. So this was a very big and hectic news for all over the world, especially for the Americans and especially for the Indians also, because their one and only daughter Kalpana Chawla was now dead at that time, students. So it was very heartbroken incident all over in the world. So now we will discuss about the Kalpana Chawla's part. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center and as they watched the Columbia lift off. So she is the Kalpana Chawla. You can see in the picture over here. She was a very brave woman, students. So कल्पना चावला टोल्ड दैट शी नेवर ड्रीम, मतलब उसने सपने में भी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था कि वो कभी भी अर्थ के बाहर वो जा सकेंगी एंड शी विल एवर क्रॉस द फ्रंटियर्स, मतलब जो स्पर्श के जो भाग है, जो पोर्शन है, उसको क्रॉस करके वो कभी भी बाहर जा सकेगी. एंड पेरेंट्स के लिए इट वॉज़ इनफ दैट हर पेरेंट्स अलाउड हर, मतलब उस टाइम में उनके पेरेंट्स ने अलाउ किया था इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए और उनके अटेंड किया था इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. जब वहाँ से वो ग्रेजुएट हुई, कौन से स्कूल से? टैगोर स्कूल से. एंड आफ्टर अ बैचलर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री, मतलब उनके पास बैचलर ऑफ साइंस डिग्री था एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में, एंड अगेंस्ट ग्रेट अपोजिशन फ्रॉम हर फादर शी वेंट टू अ मास्टर डिग्री. उसके बाद उसके फैमिली और उसके फादर के सपोर्ट के वजह से शी वेंट टू गेट द मास्टर डिग्री टू द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स इन अमेरिका. Then afterwards he earned PhD in aerospace engineering. And Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad to Cape Canaveral. Well, she was the first astronaut who have been participated in the Cape Canaveral, Florida. And that mission was very good, successful mission. So her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. मतलब वो जब जा रही थी, they have seen her from that part and as they all have watched the Columbia lift off means वो वहाँ से जा रही थी तब, मतलब when she was going to the space one more time. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen married to flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So students, what happened? Means Kalpana चावला वॉज बॉर्न इन करनाल हरियाणा, वो हरियाणा की थी, बट शी हैड गॉट द US सिटीज़न ऑल्सो बिकॉज शी मैरिड टू अ फ्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर हुज नेम वॉज जीन पर्ल and Jean Pearl Harrison. So she was married to a Britishers, American, so that's why she got the US citizen also. So that's why she was the citizen of India also, and she was citizen of the US also, students. And besides being astronaut, वो एक एस्ट्रोनॉट्स तो थी ही, बट साथ साथ उनके पास लाइसेंस था कि वो सिंगल और मल्टी इंजन के एयरप्लेन्स उड़ा सकती थी, एंड वो एक उनके पास वो सर्टिफिकेट भी था कि वो फ़्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर भी थी, मीन्स वो फ़्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर्स भी कर सकती थी, एंड वो पायलट के लिए भी क्वालिफाई हुए थे। एंड उसके बाद उनके पास एक अलग चैलेंज आया, एक अलग अपॉर्चुनिटी आया वाइल शी वॉज अप्लाइंग फॉर नासा स्पेस शटल प्रोग्राम, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड शी हायर्ड एज एन रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट। देन उन्हें हायर किया गया रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट के लिए नासा में, एंड इन 1994 शी वॉज सिलेक्टेड बाय नासा फॉर ट्रेनिंग एज एन एस्ट्रोनॉट। फिर नासा ने उन्हें सिलेक्ट किया एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने के लिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट शी हैड स्टार्टेड देयर ट्रेनिंग एज एन एस्ट्रोनॉट, स्टूडेंट्स। When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So students, someone has asked to the Kalpana Chawla that what it like being a woman in her field. मतलब उस टाइम में there was not so much type of authority had been given to the woman, right? Because in each and every field there was a man field, there was not a woman field. So that was in their field, that was a very big challenge, right? That was a very big challenge to know it. So she replied on that question that I really never thought while pursuing my studies. मतलब उन्होंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था जब वो स्टडी कर रहे थे और भी वो क्या कर सकती है। एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो बहुत ही स्मॉल फैमिली से और बहुत डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से आई हुई है, और उनके जो ड्रीम्स थे वो सबकी तरह ही उनके भी एक ड्रीम्स थे। एंड फॉर्चुनेटली उनके जो अगल बगल में, मतलब उन्होंने ऐसा बोला कि मेरे जो अगल बगल में लोग हैं वो मुझे बहुत इनकरेज किए हुए मिले हैं, एंड दे हैव सेड दैट इफ़ दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट टू, मतलब आपको तुम्हें ये चीज़ करना है तो गो अहेड, मीन्स कैरी ऑन, तुम ये चीज़ कर सकते हो। सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन से दैट having a great time with your family and your family supports you, that is a very big happiness, because in each and every field your family is with you, so you can pursue anything, students. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So students, Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle was only for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. मतलब जब वो सबसे पहले स्पेस मिशन में गई थी तो इतना टाइम उनके पास था, और वो पूरे अर्थ की 252 टाइम्स उन्होंने ट्रैवलिंग की थी। एक स्पीड थी, वो थी 10.45 किलोमीटर्स, मीन्स 10.45 मिलियन किलोमीटर्स। यू कैन इमेजिन मिलियन, इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज। And at that time their crew member was a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. They was also with them. So the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food ग्रोथ इन स्पेस, मतलब फूड किस तरह से ग्रो कर सकता है, प्लांट्स किस तरह से फूड ग्रो कर सकते हैं खुद ब खुद, ये चीज़ की रिसर्च करने के लिए वो लोग गए थे कि स्पेस में वो चीज़ हो सकती है कि नहीं हो सकती। एंड उनके जो टेस्ट थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांगली ऑपरेटिंग हुए थे, और ये जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट था उसमें $56 मिलियन गए थे, इन्वेस्टमेंट की गई थी। इट्स अराउंड $56 मिलियन, स्टूडेंट्स। On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television set in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring." So students, सैटरडे नाइट द न्यूज़, ये न्यूज़ ऑक्यूपाई हुए कि कोलंबिया डिज़ास्टर ब्रोक, मतलब कोलंबिया की जो स्पेसशिप थी वो डिज़ास्टर हो चुकी है, शुक हो गई, शॉक, एंड एवरी वन वॉज इन अ डीप शॉक एंड दे वॉज हैविंग वन टाइप ऑफ होप कि क्या पता कल्पना चावला उनके जो क्रू मेंबर्स हो वो बच गए हो। इट्स बीन अ वेरी शॉकिंग न्यूज़. Each and every people, the town of Karnal was spent a sleepless night. और कितने सारे लोग इस होप में टेलीविज़न देख रहे थे कि क्या पता कोई वो लोग सबके सब बच गए हो. एंड देयर वॉज अ जर्नलिस्ट मतलब जो मीडिया में काम करते हैं, उन्होंने एक ये लिखा था कि शी वॉज़ अ हीरोइन. वो एक हीरोइन थी जिनके पास इतनी सारी अच्छी एबिलिटी थी एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने की. एंड ये एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने के लिए बहुत सारी नॉलेज की ज़रूरत होती है, जैसे कि बायोलॉजी में, एस्ट्रोफिज़िक्स में, एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में. और एक इस एज में भी उन्होंने इतना सारा कुछ किया एंड शी बिकेम एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. तो उनकी जो अचीवमेंट है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी है एंड हम लोग उसे हमेशा याद करेंगे. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." This story is just like amazing. I like this story. Okay, so this was the 7th and the last paragraph. We were talking about students. सो सी फॉर द मिलियंस ऑफ यंग इंडियंस, जितने भी मिलियंस ऑफ यंग इंडियंस हैं उनके लिए ये कल्पना चावला की स्टोरी बहुत एक्टिक है. बिकॉज एक लड़की जो स्मॉल टाउन की है और जो आसमान छूना चाहती है वो एक इंस्पिरेशन बनती है. एक टाइम था कि उन्होंने एक मैसेज सेंड किया था अब्रॉड में, स्पेस शटल में से, मतलब जब वो स्पेस में थी तब उन्होंने एक मैसेज सेंड किया था जो स्टूडेंट्स उनके कॉलेज में, मतलब जब वो जो कॉलेज से वो पढ़ी है इन चंडीगढ़, उनके स्टूडेंट्स को एक ये मैसेज उन्होंने भेजा था कि जो पाथ आप ड्रीम के लिए चूज़ करते हो उसमें सक्सेस मिलती है, डज एग्जिस्ट, मतलब सक्सेस होती है. बट आपके जो विजन्स है, आपके जो देखने का तरीका है, और आपके पास करेज होना चाहिए, आपके पास हिम्मत होना चाहिए कि वो विजन को आप फुलफ़िल कर सकते हो बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. मीन्स इन एनी हाउ यू हैव टू सक्सेस, यू हैव टू गेट योर ड्रीम्स टू बी ट्रू. तो आपके जो ड्रीम्स है उसको ट्रू करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी एंड यू ऑल हैव टू डू इट. एंड विशिंग देम अ वेरी ग्रेट जर्नी. उन्होंने ये मैसेज दिया था. फिर दे विल श्योरली बी मेनी, उन्होंने ये बोला था कि ऐसे बहुत सारे जर्नीज़ होंगी और ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टार्ट ऑफ होंगे आपके जर्नी में कि आप अपने ड्रीम्स को फुलफ़िल ईज़िली कर सकोगे. So this were the story of the Kalpana Chawla students, and I hope you have known it about very clearly. See, I just wanted to tell something about this topic, is that students, Kalpana Chawla was an inspiration to all over in the world, because she was the woman who have done a lot of things, but some tragic incident, his dead, his life journey was a very short, मतलब उनकी जो पूरी लाइफ की जर्नी थी वो बहुत शॉर्ट होगी, बट उन्होंने बहुत कुछ सीखा और बहुत कुछ सिखाया सबको भी. If you wanted to know about more, you can search it in the plaques, that a lot of videos are over here in the net that you can easily watch that one, and with the help of those you can actually see that what type of work Kalpana Chawla had done in her whole life, students. So till there, I hope that you understand it. This chapter is all about dedicated to the woman who inspires a lot, Kalpana Chawla, students. So whole this question answer section are there over here. We will do this one by later on. I will definitely send you this whole pages, students. Don't worry about it. So students, till there, your homework is that you have to read this whole chapter. See, this were the craft space, you can see an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. She was in this space, students, and she was the woman Kalpana Chawla. So students, you have to read this chapter fully one more time, so to clarify that what is in this chapter and who is Kalpana Chawla. Okay, students. Till there, students, be contact with the Best English School with me, students, and if you understand it and if you have liked it, my explanation, so just like, share and subscribe my channel, students. Okay, till there, students, stay home, stay safe. With the help of these lines, I would like to pack up. So bye bye, students, and have a nice day.